What is up, MacNation, and welcome back to the vlogs. I hope everyone's staying safe and feeling great. Just a reminder for all of you guys that's watching right now, please don't go out of your house. It's our job as our residents or citizens of our country, wherever you may be, to just stay at home and stop the spread. Let's flatten the curve, you know what I mean? We're all in this together. Be safe. Also, I'm expecting my computer table to arrive today. Amazon just gave me an update already. The package is actually being delivered as we speak. So once I get that package, I'm gonna assemble it and we're gonna unbox it for you guys. Oh, look at that. I think that's the package, guys. It's probably the delivery guy, because it says on the update it's about to come right now. Let's see. Look at that. So it is the computer table. I'm just gonna put it upstairs and then I'm gonna try to assemble it for you guys. So that specific table right there is not too hard to build. It's actually fairly easy. That's one of the reasons why I got it. It's also not too bad. It's not really that fancy of a table, but there's a lot of workspace on it. It's about 47 inches. It cost me about just $95. So it's not too bad, right? Let's build it. So we put out all the needed tools and equipments to do this table. I have it all on the bed right now and we're about to start. So far so good. We have 2 legs already done. Now we're gonna put the tabletop. The table is pretty neat. As you guys can see, there's actually a lot of space. So far so good. The instructions are pretty firm and straightforward, so it makes it easier to build it. And that's the build, guys. So you can see it's really easy. It's very simple. It's a very simple table. It doesn't have a lot of specifications to it. It's just a work table. It even has like a little file storage on the corner, which is going to be very useful for me. But I like this table. It's very neat. It's very clean. It's definitely enough space for me. One of you have asked me if I can do some traditional food for my cooking. I believe that's Alex Street Smart. If you're watching this video, this one's for you. I'm cooking adobo for tonight's dinner. So the ingredients are very simple. All you need is medium diced of pork, garlic, I would have done garlic cloves if there's any in the stores, but you can't find garlic in the store nowadays. You're gonna need some soy sauce and some vinegar. Of course, it's very important to have some black pepper as well. In some cooking, they don't put potatoes, but I'm gonna put potatoes on my adobo. Also, I put a little bit of salt. You might ask why? Because soy sauce just has a little, there's a difference in taste. Soy sauce is soy sauce and salt is salt. Salt will bring out more flavor than soy sauce will. So there are different versions of adobo. It depends on what province or if you live in the city. If you live in the city, usually it's as basic as just pork, garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, and vinegar. But in our case, we're gonna put potatoes, so I don't even know what version this is. I would call it my version. I'm gonna show you guys how to cook it. So cooking an adobo is very simple. All you need is you add a little bit of water first. And then you add in your pork. You would want to add your vinegar and soy sauce. I'm not giving you guys any exact measurements because it depends on the person. If you guys want it, you know, on the salty side or on the vinegary side, then it's gonna be up to you. I also add the black pepper. I would also add the garlic. All of that garlic. That's the main flavor of this dish, is the garlic with the vinegar and the soy sauce. So basically what you want to do is just to tenderize the pork until it's, you know, fork tender. So you just let it cook down until it's tender, and then you want to add your salt and your potatoes later. So at this point, I already added my potatoes. I've also sauteed the pork in a little bit of oil, just so I can get a little bit of texture. Because texture on the pork would make a lot of difference when you're cooking adobo. I'm just gonna cover it and then wait a few more minutes until the potatoes are done. And that's pretty much it. It's really easy, right? Trust me guys, it's gonna be really good. Try it at home. And that's gonna wrap it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm definitely listening to any suggestions that you guys have for me. If you have any questions, concerns, any suggestions, please drop it on the comments down below. And please, hit that subscribe button. There's about 75% of you guys that's not subscribed yet. Let's change that. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Say bye-bye.